Fact 1. Jungkook's full name is Jeon Jungkook. He was born on September 1st, 1997, in Busan, South Korea. So yes, he's a Virgo. Fact 2. His favorite number is 1. He says it represents his goal to always be the best. Fact 3. Jungkook attended the School of Performing Arts Seoul, also known as SOPA, and graduated from Global Cyber University. Fact 4. When he's not performing, Jungkook loves drawing, playing games, and exercising. Talk about a variety of interests. Fact 5. His favorite foods are pizza, sashimi, and anything with flour. Who else is hungry now? Fact 6. Did you know he's skilled in sports too? Jungkook is great at bowling, basketball, and soccer. Fact 7. Jungkook was inspired to become a singer after watching G-Dragon perform Heartbreaker. That's when he knew he wanted to be on stage. Fact 8. He initially auditioned for Superstar K in 2011 but didn't make it to the finals. But that didn't stop him. Fact 9. Despite not advancing in Superstar K, he received offers from multiple entertainment companies before joining Big Hit Entertainment, now known as Hybe Corporation. Fact 10. Jungkook debuted with BTS on June 13, 2013, and the rest is history. Fact 11. In BTS, Jungkook is the main vocalist, lead dancer, and sub-rapper, a true all-rounder. Fact 12. His role model within the music industry is none other than Justin Bieber. Fact 13. Jungkook has plans to release a solo mixtape in the future. We can't wait. Facts 14. Did you know he directed the BTS music video for Life Goes On? His talent extends beyond singing and dancing. Insert a clip from the Life Goes On music video. Fact 15. He also has a series of short films called Golden Closet Films, showcasing his videography skills. Fact 16. Jungkook's favorite color is black. It's classic and cool, just like him. Fact 17. He has several tattoos, including ones that represent BTS and ARMY. Can you spot them all? Fact 18. Jungkook has shown interest in learning to play the drums. Maybe we'll see him in a rock band someday. Fact 19. Besides singing, he has impressive drawing and painting skills. A true artist. Fact 20. Jungkook follows a rigorous fitness routine and often shares workout videos with fans. Fitness goals, anyone? Fact 21. He's an avid gamer and enjoys playing games like Overwatch and Battlegrounds. Game on. Fact 22. Jungkook participates in numerous charitable activities and donations, often without making it public. A kind heart indeed. Fact 23. Did you know he's ambidextrous? He can use both hands equally well. Fact 24. Jungkook has a dog named Gureum. Pet lovers, rejoice. Fact 25. He's known for his sweet tooth. Chocolate and desserts are his favorites. Fact 26. Jungkook once mentioned that if he weren't an idol, he would have liked to be a professional gamer or an athlete. Imagine that.